Hi everyone, Tom Peach here in Anguilla on the West End. This is the Cap Juluca Resort, which has been bought by Belmond, and it's going to open in November. Actually, I should say reopen. Looks like they've done some extensive renovations. They've got a new pool area here. What we can only imagine is the pool. They've added a few villas and completely redoing the insides. We don't know what that building is at the end past Pim's restaurant. And then of course you can see St. Martin in the background and just gorgeous Maundays Bay here, which we just got through having a wonderful end of the afternoon swim in. So look for Cap Juluca to reopen, and I think it's going to make its mark on Anguilla hotel scene.